Simply Rustic by Stearman & Sons, and today is New Tool Thursday again. Today's offering on the bench is this, the Lumberjack DP13-580B 13mm benchtop drill press. Say that 10 times backwards without stumbling. I've gone for this one because I wanted a benchtop design for in the van. I would have rather had a full-size one, but I needed something that could fit inside my van workshop. This came in really well priced at £90 delivered from eBay. Read the reviews, it came out pretty good. It's going to be good enough for what I want. All I need it for is just for cutting tea lights in pieces of wood. So let's see. Okay, first impressions, there's no spanner at all. I mean, obviously everybody's got their own spanners, but what's the point in sending you the Allen keys if they're going to assume that you've got a spanner? It's got a small crack there in the guard. Well, I'll have to get that sent back. Maybe send them a message, see if they can just send the guard out. I'm not sending the whole drill back just to get that replaced. Also no screwdriver. Instructions are coming out. Yeah, that's really not helping. There seems to be somewhere to put the spring here, but nowhere. What's stopping that from flopping down? Trusty picture. Right. Freaking Jesus! It bit me. Finally. Fucking thing. Whew. Let's see that in an instant replay. Alrighty then, see if it works. first thoughts of it's running, it's nice and quiet, and there's barely any vibration at all.
Yikes! Like Scoob! Don't show that in the video!
Right, see if it works. On first impressions, that's not bad. It was basically a cheap entry level drill press. I say it was like 90 quid delivered. It's fairly quiet, and it's not a lot of vibration in it at all. Not a lot in the slightest. Let's see how it actually holds up when we're drilling. But first, let's have a message from today's video sponsor, Sir David Attenborough. This is a public service announcement brought to you in part by Slim Shady, I mean Simply Rustic. The voiceover you're about to hear may or may not be that of David Attenborough. And here we see the native Lumberjack DP13-580B 13mm benchtop drill press. As you can see, in its native environment, chipping away and foraging for what it needs in a piece of 4x2, whilst at the same time making a new home for its close friend, the tea light candle. Although its work does seem to be tireless and a little slow, it's relentless in its work, and it never seems to want to give up. I think it's going to be a very valuable commodity here at Simply Rustic by Stearman and Sons. And if you haven't already, you've heard it from me here first, Sir David Attenborough, to subscribe to their channel now. And here you are, what we've all been waiting for, the end result. Bravo, drill press, bravo. So, final thoughts on the Lumberjack benchtop drill press. For 90 quid, it's pretty decent. I took a bit of a punt on this because it said it only had a 13mm drill capacity because it only holds a 13mm drill bit. It has just done a 40mm T-light hole. If you go too quickly, it does judder a bit. It doesn't like doing a 40mm hole, but it's done it. Nice and steady, and it works its way through it quite well. It's got a nice finish on it. We've got a 40mm hole. I did have to go quite deep because we only had 8-hour tea lights in the house, but yeah, that's what I bought it for, and it's working. It's fairly quiet, not a lot of vibration. If you're wanting a small, compact drill press, pillar drill, whatever you want to call it, then I would definitely recommend it. It's pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'm going to build a bench for it over there so it's not in my way over here. But yeah, I think you're not going to be able to do things that are too tall in it. I would have liked it to have been a little bit taller, but the next size up I would have struggled getting it in because of the size of the van. So when I get back to the workshop, I think I'm going to get a full size pillar drill rather than a little benchtop one like this. But for now, this is really going to help. So yeah, if you're looking for something small, compact, for smaller jobs, and you're on a tight budget, 90 quid brand new delivered to your door for a decent drill press for the money. I think for smaller projects, it's definitely worth the 90 quid that I've paid for it for a brand new, bench top pillar drill. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description below if you did want to go out and purchase one of these. It's just off eBay, so I'll get a link dropped into the description so you can have a look for yourself. That's it, guys, another video finished. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified for future upcoming videos. Stay safe, everybody.